Hello, hello. Time to meet our very last phonics friend. We have met all four. We've done Scaredy Cat A that goes, ah! Aw Man O that goes, aw. We've met Icky I that goes, eh, eh, eh. And we've done Rudy U. You'd probably just learned him, and he goes, ugh. And now our last but not least, we've got Whatever E. And she is kind of also sort of like Rudy U. She kind of always is like, whatever. And she's always going, like, which is exactly the same sound that short E makes. So short E makes what kind of a sound? It is the trickiest sound because sometimes Whatever E and Scaredy Cat A sound kind of similar. Remember, Scaredy Cat A is more like, and Whatever E is more like, So it's kind of hard. You might have to sound out those words more than once when you're trying to spell them and really, really hear what those sounds are. So just like we always do, we're going to practice reading some words. So let's start out with kind of an easy one because it's a part of your body. Probably something that if you go outside and go for a walk today, maybe they'll get really sore and tired. Leg. Leg. Very good. Egg. All right, let's try this one. Mrs. Schmidt is really going to change it up on you. You might use this if you're hunting for butterflies or bugs. Net. Very good. So if you're going to use a net, you also might use it when you're fishing too, a fishing net or volleyball net. All righty. How about this one? Bet. Like I bet you can read that word really easily. All right. How about this one? Get. Get, like go get. A harder word for me, Mrs. Schmidt. All righty. How about this one? This is another farm animal. Ready? N. Hen. Very good. All righty. I think those are all the ones that we're going to do today. Oh, you know what? There's one more because my dog cannot stop doing this. All right, ready? I bet if you have a dog, I bet they do this too and they really want a treat. Egg. Egg. Beg. Very good. Yep, that's what happens. They like to beg for treats. All right. So you have a paper that's called Red Races. And what you're going to do first is you're going to want to take a pencil, and I did it in black Sharpie, and I traced all the beginning sounds because that's going to make it easier for me to write my words. And I'm using the color red because if you look at red, I'll show you here. Oh, look what's in the middle of the word red. Whatever E. So the word red. So I'm using a red marker because it's kind of fun. I'm going to use a red crayon. You can use red crayon, red color pencil, red marker. If you don't have a red, that's fine. You can just use a regular pen too. And actually, I can't use my spinner with my red marker, so I have to use both a pencil or a pen and a red marker. So what you're going to do is you are going to spin the spinner, spin your spinner, and then you're going to find the letter and write the word. Then what you can do while you're writing the words is you're going to want to you can set a timer or you can ask your mom and dad to time you to see how many minutes it will take you to write all of these words. And it says, do not write the same word more than one time. But if you're really, really smart, you're going to notice that there are 2 B's and 2 H's. Because there's the word N and the word hem, like the hem of your dress. Now, if you're a boy, you might not really know hems because you probably don't wear dresses, but you might know that word. And there's also the word egg and the word bed. So there's 2 B's and 2 H's, so you can't write beg 2 times, and you can't write hem 2 times either. So if you spin the same thing, you just got to spin it again. And you're going to see how fast you can write these words. So I'll show you. All right, I'll spin. Oh, I got a line. All right, I got this one right here. Yep, that's the word net. So I'm going to find my N. See, I'm going to trace N. Et. Net. Very good. Now I'm going to go as fast as I can because I want to see how fast I can write these in how many minutes. All right, I got this one. That's the dog going because he was beg. He wants to beg for food. So I'm going to find one of the B's. No, does it matter which B I write it on? Nope, it does not. I'm going to trace my B. Egg. That's got a G at the end. Bag. Then I'm going to go until all my page is finished. Then I'm going to count up the words. How many did I write? Well, when I'm finished, I'm going to have how many? 10. So I can write 10 words in however many minutes it takes you to finish. If it takes you 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. And then if you want, your mom and dad will let you, they can print out this page again and you can see if you can beat your record. So if you got 3 minutes, maybe if you print it out again, see if you can beat your time and get 2 minutes. Or beat your time and get 1 minute, which would be very, very fast. I don't know if 1 minute is even possible, but you can always try. All right, good luck. If you always have questions, you can always have mom and dad email Mrs. Schmidt or Mrs. Cattleman, and we would be happy to help you.